Hello, this is Jose Hooker, your friendly realtor from Central Florida, working with M3 Realty Group. Today, I'm in Kissimmee, and we're about to show you this beautiful property that we just finished remodeling. This property is located about 5 minutes from downtown Kissimmee, about 25 minutes from Orlando, about 30 minutes from Disney Park, and about 25 minutes from Orlando International Airport. So this property is super well located. This is a nice neighborhood. It's a neighborhood from the 1990s. So we did a lot of work outside the property to bring more character into it, to make it stand out. One of the things that we did on this property was placing stone at the bottom of the windows. Next to it, we also painted the windows, next to the windows, where we put a nice color into it to make it contrast. So that's very, very nice. And lastly, we did a lot of good work around the garden of this property on both sides of the property as well to make it really stand out. Are you ready to check this property inside with me? Come on, let's go. Welcome, welcome. As you can see, as soon as you come into this property, you are welcomed by this beautiful, beautiful kitchen slash dining room, family room. We have put a lot of thought and energy and focus into making a nice kitchen. We placed the range right in the middle of this massive counter with a nice stainless steel hood, and your refrigerator stainless steel as well, right well located, and our sink is a modern setup where your sink is right behind the range for easy access in and out of it. We also place soft close, custom-made cabinets, by the way, in this property with nice handles and soft close features, as you can see here. We thought about this as well. We put a nice, very, very tall pantry over here for your enjoyment with lots of space. We have 7 spaces here for you. It's about 1.5 feet deep each space. We placed the microwave right here in this corner for your enjoyment and for your convenience. It's easy access in and out, as you see. Okay, nice massive counter, bright light. This is about 4 by 11 feet together. Another cool feature of this property is the layout itself. So the L-shaped layout that this property provides allows the owner for privacy. On one side of this property, we find the owner's room with its own bathroom and its own walk-in closet, where on the other side, we have the other 2 rooms with the bathroom that's shared, which is pretty awesome layout. So this owner's room, it's looking outside the house. As you can see, that's the driveway over there. Plenty of space for a king bed in here if you wish. Over here on this side of the room, we have the walk-in closet. Plenty of space for her to hang all the clothes, and we have plenty of space in there for the 2 owners of this property, or 1 owner. And over here on this side, we have the stand-up shower. Very modern colors, nice rectangular shaped tiles that we have placed in here. If you guys look, the counter is the same style and color as the kitchen. Let's go over to the other side of the property. And a cool feature that we put here are the black handles throughout the property. And this actually matches with some of the features outside of the property. So color-wise, it's super cool. So here we have one of the 2 extra rooms that we can share. The other room is over here to the side. Same features, same sizes. Finally, we have this bathroom that is shared among these 2 rooms. As you can see, this bathroom is super cool. I love the tile, the color of the tile that matches kind of the theme of the house with light colors. Love the shape of it, which is a large rectangular shape, and also the vanity. It matches perfectly with all the counters. Okay, we have finished walking the property inside, but there is one more place where we need to go. It's the back patio, back porch, backyard. We put nice, large, square tiles that matches the color of the property. Hopefully people like it. Here in this space is where you gather with your friends and family in the afternoon, evening hours of the day, enjoy the outside of it. We also put screens around this section of the property to avoid any lizards and mosquitoes coming into it and bothering you. Hopefully you like this house, you like what you see, and you would like more information about it, so give us a call. Thank you very much for sticking with me throughout this video, and if you like it, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can also find me here on all my platforms at the bottom, and thank you very much.